Hello everyone, Jeff and Jay here with another edition of Jay's Big Adventure. Jay's the Fuzzy Guy, and today we're bringing you an update on our 2003 BMW M3. If you've been following along, I bought the car a little over 3 years ago from a Cadillac store in Nashville, Tennessee. Got traded in on an Escalade. The guy needed to start hauling his grandkids around. He did not want to sell the car on his own, so he just traded it in. Who knows what they gave him for it? Not very much, because I bought the car with 54,000 miles on it for $14,400. I've been looking for an E46 M3, figuring that they were going to go up in value over time. And one of the things that I was looking for was a 6-speed manual, not the SMG gearbox, which is notoriously trouble prone, and it's just kind of cheating. Didn't want that. For my cars, if it's going to be a manual, it really needs to have 3 pedals. And so when I found this car, I was pretty psyched. The ad on the internet said, 03 M3, 54,000 miles, 6-speed, period. Nothing. No color, no description, no interior, no options. That's all it said. So I called the store, got a hold of a salesman, and I said, at 54,000 miles, the car should be in pretty good shape. And he said, dude, the car is new. It is absolutely perfect. It's brand new. I said, I'll be on a plane in 2 days. And I went out and I bought it, drove it back. And I've had the car for 3 years. I put almost exactly 30,000 miles on it. Retrieving the yellow car from Indiana forced me to sell the 03 to make room and also to come up with the money to start the restoration process. So the decision was made to sell the car. I used my own program, okay? I wrote a great ad. I took great pictures. And the gentleman that bought the car is someone who watches the channel, so he knows what I paid for it. He's been watching the car for quite some time, and I got $21,900 out of that M3 for a car that I paid $14,400 for and drove it for 30,000 miles. Guys, this is why this program works, and this is why I love doing what I do. He knew what I paid. He didn't balk at the price, and if you look at NADA today, the car still books for under $10,000. I think it's $9,700. I'll put it up here in just a minute. But I got more than double NADA retail for the car because I knew what I had. I knew how to write the ad. And those are the things that makes you money when you're buying and selling cars on the internet. First of all, you got to have the right inventory. Okay, this car was unmolested. It had nothing done to it. It didn't have a stereo. It didn't have a subwoofer. It didn't have, stupid suspension or any kind of, silliness. Utterly 100% bone stock car. And that's what this guy wanted because he already had a 2004 M3 Convertible that had been cut up by some clown, and he wanted a car that had not been monkeyed with. I had that in the ad. I specifically referenced the fact that this had not been fast and furious. He loved the ad. He called me up. We worked out a deal, and he now owns the car. So if you're looking to start buying and selling cars online, watch the rest of my videos, especially the flipping series, which is episodes 1 through, I think I have 10 now. Watch them all. It'll tell you how to find the right inventory. It'll tell you how to negotiate when you buy the car and also how to negotiate when you sell it. So the program works. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please watch the rest of the videos. We'll have more videos out soon.